lot of you this might be your first time meeting Roar. Roar is the name of our mascot. I want to give Roar a big wave. How about a quick round of applause for Roar? Okay, so here's what we are here to do, and those of you that are second graders know a little bit about this. Even some of our first graders know a little bit about it, because the day that our third to fifth graders voted, many of the first graders were talking to me about it, because you have older siblings that shared the book with you before, when you were in kindergarten or even preschool. So I know many of our first graders even know about what we're here to talk about, which is One School, One Book. It's a program where we actually get the whole school reads the same book at the same time. It is a lot of fun because oftentimes we read by ourselves. Silent reading, right? We're reading to ourselves. But One School, One Book is a great program because it's where we actually get to read and share reading with our family. Just like family literacy nights. Raise your hand if you want to figure out what book we're reading this year. I know I do. Roar doesn't talk, but he seems to be telling me something, trying to tell me. What do you think? What do you think Roar is trying to tell me? I don't know. The box? Okay. 10, 9. Oh wow! I think I know. What does that look like to you? A robot? How about a wild robot? We are going to do Wild Robot as a school. So all of you are going to get the book Wild Robot. Thank you, Roar, for helping me figure out how to figure it out. Give Roar a big round of applause.